here, Sourish, and tell me what you see. What kind of jumps out at you when you look at this picture?
That's like a circle.
Okay, would you see anything else?
That's a triangle too.
Yeah, good. That's what I was kind of looking for here. I'm going to label the triangle A, B, and C. What's the relationship between the three sides in the triangle?
And the three triangle.
Yes. What's the relationship between the three sides in a triangle?
Yeah, three sides in a triangle. Well, it's because they are. Well, it's because they are the same. They have three sides. That's what they have.
A squared
A
plus
squared plus
B
B
squared.
squared equals C squared.
Yes. Now, can you tell me the value of A in the triangle?
Yep. A. A is
What is the
10.
A is 10, good.
B is X. C is
Good.
12. So what you need to do is 100 plus plus X squared. X equals 144.
All right, could you solve that for us, please?
Yeah, I'll be doing that. $44.
Squared is 44, but what is X?
X. Well, what is X? X is the
How do you undo a square root?
you should divide.
Nope, you do not divide for a square root. How do you undo a square root? Or how do you undo a square? I just said it, so now you've got the answer.
You should subtract.
Nope. I just said it. I guess you didn't hear me. Take a square root of both sides.
Yeah.
Could you calculate that for us, please?
Okay, X squared equals. Okay. I think. I would say it is X. Is this pretty simple?
Yes, I have no idea why we're taking so long to do this, but I don't want to rush you either, but you've done this hundreds of times. I don't know why you don't know where the square
Yeah,
root button is on your
sometimes
calculator.
I focus on other things like doing other things at work. That's why it just does that.
Yeah, that's okay. But we're here to do some math. So if you want, we can do math. If you don't want to do math, we don't have to do math.
I want to do math. I'm just ready. I'm just trying to think. This answer, I think I never did this thing already before my life because I just got.
Do you want me to pull up every lesson notes and show you that we've done this countless times?
Yeah,
Maybe,
sure.
Well, that's not gonna be helpful, Sourish, but sure, I can do that.
Yeah, I just want to review.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull up our lesson notes from every single lesson we've done until you believe me that you've done this over and over again. All right, so we're gonna look at the notes from Tuesday.
Okay.
We don't have any right triangles in there, so I don't have any there. I just get the feeling you're not interested in doing math today.
I'm interested in doing math. I'm just having some time to think.
Okay. None there. Let's do this because this is not a good use of our time if we're going to be stalled there. Do you have a calculator?
I know what to do. Multiply.
No, no. Do you have a calculator?
Yes.
I want you to take the square root of 44. That's it.
Yeah, I'm trying, but there's no X in here in the scientific calculator.
We're not doing x. The x is the square root of 44.
Okay, so X equals 44.
The square root of 44.
Okay. All right, I got 6.6.
Okay, very good. All right. Are you ready to do another problem?
Yeah, yes.
Are you sure? Because I want to make sure we're going to actually do it and not take a long time because you can do this stuff. This is not impossible stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at a new problem here. All right, so here is circle, and then Q is tangent to the circle. Are you okay? Do you need a break?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Just
Q to
allergies.
P, yeah, they're very bad. Q to P is tangent, Q to R is tangent. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So the tangents are congruent, which means
Okay.
that Q to P is congruent to Q to R.
Mm-hmm.
What is the equation for Q to P?
14x minus 13.
Okay. What is the equation for Q to R?
For Q and R? Well, you know,
Yes.
ax plus 5.
All right. Now, could you solve this equation for us, please?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to my calculator. I'm doing this.
Okay.
Is that fine with you?
You can do whatever you want to solve this. The idea, though, is to replicate how you would do it in class. So if you can use a calculator in class, go ahead.
Thirteen. Um. Equals. Let me just write this out. Come on. It's just so hard to just type right here. Just like I'm trying to press this, but it's just taking a long time. Okay, okay, so what I know is that you have to first of all, you have to add 13 and 5.
That's true.
Mhm. That's gonna equal 18.
Okay.
And then for 14, you should be able to just
Should be able to subtract 8x from both sides.
yep. 14 minus, do you hear it raining?
It is raining. Yeah. It's
Yeah, it
it's gonna
equals
a lot
it
of weather
equals
lately.
yeah, and it equals 6, 6,
6x equals 18.
18, and that equals 3.
X equals 3. Good. Now, can you tell me the length of QR?
The length of QR.
Yes.
Yeah, the length of QR is 3.
It is not 3. X is 3. What is QR? What is the expression for QR?
8x plus 5.
Okay, so do you know the value of X?
Yeah,
What is the value of X?
3.
Okay, so put 3 in for X.
Yeah, it's raining so hard.
Okay. Well, let me know if you need a break.
No, I don't need a break. Okay, let's keep moving.
No, I'm sorry, I'm asking you got to put 3 in for X and calculate 8x plus 5.
Oh, sorry about that. X plus 5, okay. Three.
Sourish, I'm asking you to put 3 in for X. Take this value of 3 and put it in for
Yeah,
X.
8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Is that, you feel like you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you another problem. Here's a circle.
Okay.
This right here is 120 degrees. This right here is 154 degrees. I want you to find the arc measure of X.
Okay.
What is the degree measure if you go all the way around a circle, Sarish?
360.
Okay. So these 3 numbers add up to 360.
Yeah. So, so what you need to do is that, okay, let me figure that out. Okay. $66.
How did you come up with 66?
Because first of all, you have to add to 120 plus 154, then you'll get yourself 290,
It is not 290.
294.
It is not 294. Try again.
I mean. Two 74, you have to add that 274 minus 360, that equals 66.
Does not equal 66. Go ahead and try it again.
86.
X equals 86. Good.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna do another problem like that.
Okay.
Let me just double check the numbers before I give it to you. Okay. So here we go. We got another circle here. X plus 22 degrees. 2x plus 18 degrees. And the last one over here is 3x plus 20
Right.
degrees. What do these add up to going all the way around the circle?
What do these add up when you go around the circle? They add up to 360.
360. So you can write an equation, Sourish. What is the equation that you can write?
X plus 22
Plus,
plus 3x plus 20 and plus 2x plus 18.
equals 360. Good. All right, see if you can solve that.
Okay. X equals 30.
Okay. How did you come up with that?
First of all, you have to be able to subtract, add 22 to 20 and to 18. That's going
Okay,
to
what is
give
that?
you 60.
60. Okay, and what does x plus 3x plus 20 add up to?
Yep. X plus 3 plus that equals to 2.
We got 1x, 3x, then 2x. What does that add up to?
It adds to 5.
Got 1x, 3x, and 2x.
Yeah.
Does not add up to 5. Just let me see if I can help here. 1x, 3x, and 2x. What does that add up to?
Yeah, and that's 6. 6.
6x.
Yep.
Okay. So go ahead and try solving that one more time. It is not 30 for x.
Okay. 50.
X. X is 50. Very good. Now, can you put those back into each of these equations and tell me what you come up with for each one?
Yeah, for right up there. That's right up there. That's for A, that is 60.
How did you get 60?
Well, wait, you want me to add them just only once?
I want you to put X back into each of these.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm asking?
Yeah, yeah. Put X into one of those. So, okay.
All three, actually.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I got so for A, it's 22.
The letters are not related to this. You have to put in X. What
50.
value do
50 plus
what,
22.
okay, what does that become?
That's what you know is that it is 72.
Good. Can you do that for the other ones?
Yeah, yeah. $170.
Okay. Now what about for the last one?
Mm-hmm. 118.
Very good. Now, could you verify that 72 plus 118 plus 170 adds up to 360?
Let me check. Yes, it equals 360.
All right, good job.
Mhm.
Okay, do you need a short break? I want you to be able
Yeah,
to
I want to
focus
have a
here.
break.
Okay, how many minutes do you want?
For 5 minutes.
Sounds good. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
Okay.
All right, Sourish, let me know when you're back and we can get started here.
Yeah, okay, I'm back.
All right, so here is a rectangle. Remember their rectangle here. Now, what if PC equals 2x plus 3, okay,
Mm,
and RE equals 5x minus 9?
yeah, okay.
What do you know about PC and RE?
Well, TC and R and PE. Well, TC is like it's gonna be like it is like for the Pythagorean theorem, it's like sin cos.
Nope. This is a rectangle. What do you know about the sides in a
Yeah, the
rectangle?
sides, they have always four sides.
Okay, but what do you know about RE and PC?
There's no PC.
This is P to C and R to E.
Yeah, okay.
So the sides are congruent.
Yeah. Sides are congruent, so it means that RE is
It means that 2x plus 3 equals 5x minus 9. Will you attempt to solve this for me, please?
yeah, I can solve that.
Okay. What are you going to do first to solve this equation?
I know what to do.
Okay.
I know what to do. So what you do is that for that you should for 5x and 2x, you should sub add.
Okay. We can't add. They're both positive. So
It
how
means
do
they're
you add?
subtracting. So 5x minus 2x. That is 3x.
So you're subtracting 5x from both sides. That's what I heard. Good. Okay,
Yeah.
that works. So you have minus 3x plus 3 equals -9. What would you do
Yep.
next?
Now what you need to do is that you need to do the same thing for normal 3. You just have to just add,
Well, but it's plus 3 here. So how do you undo plus 3?
subtract.
Subtract 3 from both sides.
And that's gonna give
Negative
you
-3x equals
12, -12
-12. Okay, now what do you divide both sides by?
by 3, and that equals
It's not 3.
-3, and that equals
Yes.
4.
So x equals 4. Okay, so I want you to calculate the length of T to C.
Mhm.
What does
Yep.
TC equal?
TC, it equals 4.
No. X equals 4.
Okay, now for TC. Ah, wait, I got it. I got it. 11.
It is 11. Perfect. All right. Good. Any questions on that before we move on to something else?
Any
Any
questions? Nope.
questions? All right. Okay, so here is another problem here. KLMN is a rhombus. Find NM. Okay, So they want you to determine NM, and NM is right here. What do you know about all the sides in the rhombus? All sides in a rhombus are,
Yeah,
are what?
okay, all sides in the rhombuses are, no, all sides in the rhombuses, what do you know, are four-sided.
I'm
So
asking
then-
you how they relate to one another.
Well, they relate because they're all squares, they look a lot like squares,
And what do you know about the sides in a square?
because it has four sides.
Okay. All right, so they're all congruent.
Yep,
What does that word mean? Any idea from that? Something is congruent.
yeah, all sides are congruent. Well, you know, it's, yeah, they're congruent.
Okay. What does the word congruent mean? And it's
Congruent
okay to say
means,
you,
congruent
it's okay
means
to
that
say
they are always similar.
that's the same, exactly the same.
Yeah.
So that means that I'm gonna color code this here. These are the same, right?
Mhm. Yeah,
So could you set 2x minus 9 equal to x plus 5 and solve it?
yeah, okay, it is two.
Okay, so let's try that. What is 2 plus 7, Sarish?
2 plus 7 is 9.
Okay, and what is 2 times 2 minus 9?
Yeah, that's what you,
What is 2
yep,
times
it's,
2?
I said it's -5.
Okay, is -5 the same as 9?
No,
Well, but it's supposed to be because all sides are congruent.
so, okay, so, but one side is negative, another side is positive.
No, they have to be the same value. So you've got to solve this equation correctly.
Yeah.
Tell me what you did first to solve this equation.
Equation. Well, what you do is that you need to add both sides by 9 to the 5.
Okay, so you add 9,
That's gonna
2x
give you
equals
9 plus
5.
5. That's what
What's
you
that?
need. 9 plus 5 is 13.
Nope, try again.
I mean 14.
Okay, now what?
Mhm. Now what? Okay, and what you know is that you need to you should, for example, you should, be able to, subtract both sides by two, like, by both sides by two from 14 and two.
Okay, but 14 is the only number. Everything else is a variable. So you have to move the variable to one side.
Yeah. 1x equals 2x plus 14.
You have to subtract 1x from both sides.
Yeah, and that equals 1.
Means equals 1x.
Yeah,
Okay. Now, so I want you to put that back in with the x's over here and tell me what you come up with.
nineteen.
Which one is 19?
19 is for the side right here, 2x minus I, and for x plus 5 is 19 too, so they're the same.
Okay. What is the length of n to m then?
And to m, it's still the same, 19 and 19.
And what is k to n?
Okay, to add 19.
Okay. What would the perimeter of this be?
Well, what are the perimeter will that be? Well, you should be able to add them.
Okay. Could you add those up for us?
Mm. That's 76.
It is 76. Very good.
Mhm.
All right. Is it okay if we stop here for tonight?
This is obvious tonight. We stop at 7:50, right?
We've never stopped. We mostly stop at 7:45. So does your dad want feedback tonight or
Okay, so
not? Does he?
thank you, Matthew, for everything.
Yeah, of course. Is your